There are lots of reasons why your lever toilet may not flush. One of the most common problems is the ball valve. If you take the lid off the toilet and there isn't any water in the cistern, the ball valve needs replacing. I'm going to show you how to do that now. To stop any water getting to the toilet, you need to get a flat-headed screwdriver and turn off the isolation valve a quarter turn. Once you've done that, get your adjustable spanner and undo the tap connector anti-clockwise. Once we've undone the tap connector, we need to remove the back nut and slide the ball valve out of the cistern. Once you've done that, take your valve to the nearest DIY store and ask for a replacement. Put a new ball valve into the toilet, making sure the arm can move freely up and down. Refit the back nut to the valve and tighten. Then replace the fibre washer in the tap connector before joining it to the ball valve. Then tighten. And make sure you don't over tighten. Finally, switch the isolation valve back on. Then make sure the water doesn't go over the overflow. Check there are no leaks on the tap connector, then flush the toilet and your problem should be solved. And if not, call HomeServe.